Hey, Bart, it's a beautiful day. Turn around. Take a look. Are you looking? I'm looking already. What am I looking at? I bet that I can fly just as fast as you. You want to bet? Watch. Let's do a race. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Hey guys, Rbthegardennanny. While visiting Sturgeon Bay in beautiful Wisconsin, we ran across this organic garden, and I always love getting off the beaten path and visiting something, especially a garden. And they had the honor system where you just pick up vegetables or fruit and just put it in the can. And I thought that was really, really neat. I love their signs, by the way. I have never grown a pumpkin in my life, but this is encouraging me to want to do that. The sunflowers were gorgeous. I guess this is a big watermelon. It was huge. Another big pumpkin. This was a lovely, lovely garden, and I'm glad I ran across it. Look at all that asparagus. Love being on vacation and visiting different areas. Just makes it so very, very memorable. I did end up buying 2 varieties of garlic to bring back home to grow in my own garden. Very exciting. I have to admit, I was very surprised that this garlic looks so different from my last harvest. I thought I did something wrong, but I did some research and found out this is exactly what this music variety was supposed to turn out looking. The chestnut garlic did not do as well, but this one turned out great.
Okay, I always start with the Biotone Starter Plus fertilizer. So I'm just going to put that down in here.
This is my very first time using seed potatoes. I usually just get organic from the store.
Like I said, I picked up a bag of seed potatoes. These are 5-pound seed potatoes, Yukon Gold, my favorite. I believe I picked this up from Menards, And they've been sitting for a while, so I can imagine they have lots of eyes. Let me check it out. Oh yeah, lots of eyes. I've seen people say you can cut them up and put separate eyes, you know, put them in individually as you cut them up. I'm just going to put the whole thing in. I'm a lazy gardener. Can't be a lot of work for me. So basically, I am going to make some trenches and go from there. Some nice worms in here. And there it is. Potatoes are so easy. I love it. They're fun to grow and they're fun to dig up when it's harvest time. So here are my potato stakes. I'm just going to put them in the corners here. I have 4, but after a while you won't even be able to see the stakes because the foliage gets so big. It's like, what did I plant in there? Okay, so there it is. Lovely.